On the Newshour tonight, Ami Yagnik of the Congress Party, Kamal Farooqi of the Samajwadi Party. My first question is to Jainara and Vyas. Mr. Vyas, why has the BJP got cold feet on Amit Shah now?
Well, I think the way it is being presented in itself needs to be revisited. You know, this is a process which is on. It has not just begun. And as a part of the process, if the investigating agencies in their own wisdom, if they want to carry out certain investigation or interrogation and carry forward the investigations, I think it is up to them. It is a matter under investigation, and we have always cooperated with them. So there is no question of BJP developing a cold feet.
No, I can see that. I can see in your response. No, I can see in your response today, Mr. Jainara and Vyas, that you got cold feet already. No, what? No, 1 minute. What's the worry? No, what's the worry? What's the worry?
Arnab,
what is your concern?
I'm answering you. Don't jump to the conclusions. I will not go down to that. I'm answering you. Number one, the so-called letter which is being talked about and touted around is something which you know what value it will have before the court of law. It is something which is written by somebody who was...
That is not for you to determine. No, that is not for you to determine.
So,
no, 1 second.
That is not for you either. That is
certainly it is for the CBI.
Let me complete.
Certainly it is for the CBI.
Don't jump the gun. No, I agree. I am not saying it is not for the CBI either. It is for the concerned courts of law to go through these evidences, pierce through them, and ultimately the law will take its own course.
What is your problem?
Having said that,
is it true that you are not sure where you stand on Amit Shah now?
If you are going to stop me, Arnab, if you are going to stop me because I am not playing to your tunes every second, I am afraid it will not be possible.
Have you got cold feet on Amit Shah?
I'll ultimately talk about Amit Shah. I am not running away from that.
Yeah, but the others also want to respond to you, see.
Next minute. Yeah, but let me complete my arguments. Why are you stopping me?
No, I'm not stopping you. I'm not stopping you. If you come straight to the point, yes.
What she will respond to? No, you just please don't intervene. What I am telling, that those who are now the critics who are saying that now the CBI is gunning for the BJP, they are running helter-skelter. No, it is not. It is the conduct of CBI. A minister's nephew is involved and CBI catches hold of him and the minister is let free. Somebody is given a default bail.
We are not discussing Pawan Bansal now. We are not discussing Pawan Bansal. I'm no advocate of the CBI, but we are not discussing Pawan Bansal now.
This is what is CBI's behavior. Which makes it a Congress Bureau of Investigation rather than an independent investigation agency which will stand on its own merit. That is where the issue is. It has much longer lost. The figure.
Are you nervous, Mr. Jainara and Vyas?
No, not at all, Arnab. These things don't make us nervous. This is you know, you are jumping to one after the another presumptions. You are firing volleys at me which are not going to make me nervous at all. I am fond of you and I am going to face all your questions.
Well, I hope you do.
I am not going to shy away from you.
I hope you do. I hope you do.
Don't worry about that.
I hope you do, because I think your attempt to rubbish Vanzara's letter is not something that, first of all, you have a right to rubbish. In the light of Vanzara's letter, in the light of Vanzara's letter,
I'm just talking about one line of argument. I am just talking about one line of argument which you presented at the opening of the show. I'll come to the next point.
I'm putting this question. Let me explain. I'm putting this question because there is a feeling in some circles, and don't react to it. Let me just say it. Don't get provoked by it. Don't react to it. But there is a growing feeling, Mr. Jainara and Vyas, that the BJP slowly has been told to distance itself from Amit Shah because it doesn't know where the case on Amit Shah is going to go. So tomorrow, if you have to drop Amit Shah like a hot potato, you should be ready. There I got a smile on your face, which I think reveals that you are in agreement with what I'm saying. I'll get in Ami Yagnik at this stage.
Are you willing to
get in Ami Yagnik.
Are you willing to listen my answer?
No, let's get Ami Yagnik in.
Are you willing
Let's get Ami Yagnik and Kamal Farooqi in, please.
We have not developed...
No, let's get Ami Yagnik and Kamal Farooqi and Ami Yagnik
We have not developed any cold feet.
Well, I don't know. I'm only asking you that. Yes. Ami Yagnik.
Neither we are going
Ami Yagnik, is Amit Shah, Amit Shah the arrow that you're firing to get at Modi? Are you closing in on Amit Shah. And Amit Shah said very, very clearly, we are told when the questioning, Amit Shah says it is the duty of a Home Minister to be in touch with all police officers, including Mr. Vanzara. There is nothing unusual about that. There is no inference you can draw from that. I'm sure you'll agree that there is nothing unusual in being in touch with Mr. Vanzara. You agree with me?
Arnav, first things first, this is the CBI investigation. You are asking a Congress party person that are you closing in on Mr. Shah, but it is a CBI's investigation which has gone on extensively since 2011 December 1st, when the Honorable High Court told that you please file an FIR with the CBI to the special investigating team headed by Mr. Satish Verma, who is a Gujarat cop who has investigated into the matter. The CBI has taken all the evidence from Mr. Tamang, who is the judicial officer of Gujarat, and who has taken from the SIT, that is a special investigating team. So the evidence with the CBI is from the Gujarat police cops who investigated into the matters, and it has been handed over directly to the CBI. Now the CBI has also interrogated as part of the investigation top bureaucrats including the chief secretary and also a legal officer, highest legal officer of the state, and other ministers last month in a matter which is pertaining to fake encounters. And so the investigation is going on because it is a very detailed investigation. There are also interim reports by the Gujarat cops themselves.
Now, are you also nervous?
Has been arrested.
Are you nervous because the way you pitched it? Because the way you pitched it. Allow me, Ami Agnik. You see, the way you pitched it, all you wanted from day one was Narendra Modi's scalp. That's all you wanted. From day one, you made it completely Narendra Modi centric. Your focus was not Amit Shah. Your focus was not one minute. Your focus was Narendra Modi.
Why should a chief minister be there in the picture unless he has played some role? Why should he be afraid?
So will you admit?
Why should anyone, for that matter, Amit Shah? Why should Amit Shah be afraid of investigation?
No, will you admit? Will Kamal Farooqi admit?
Yes, because
will Kamal Farooqi admit? One second. You see, I think everybody is a little nervous before the CBI supplementary charge sheet. The BJP is nervous, though Mr. Vyas is trying to smile. The Congress party is nervous.
No, I am not at all, Arnab. I am not nervous. I am telling you loud and clear.
Arnav. The CBI is doing its work.
So that's a nervous smile you got.
They are frustrated. They are not nervous.
That's a nervous smile you got, Jainan Vyas. My question is to Kamal Farooqi.
Arnab, Congress is frustrated. They are not nervous.
My question is to Kamal Farooqi.
Nervous is a very mild version. They are frustrated.
Kamal Farooqi. You know, the problem is that even your party made it entirely Narendra Modi specific. So would you admit that if the supplementary charge sheet, there is nothing to implicate the chief minister directly or indirectly, the state government or his own role in it, directly or indirectly, then you got your strategy wrong? Perhaps you would then have to apologize to the BJP, Mr. Kamal Farooqi, for running a Narendra Modi-centric campaign in the Ishrat Jahan case.
No. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. You are wrong in the assessment. In fact, we have nothing to do with this. This is, as my sister has already said, that this is on the basis of the Honorable High Court order that the whole investigation has been going on. And mind it, it is not Amit Shah only, but there is another big thing which is going to happen for Mr. Modi. But Zakia Jafri's petition is still over there, and the matter is almost the final hearing is already done. And one day or the other, the judgment will be there. So these 2002 cases would continue to haunt Mr. Modi and Mr. Amit Shah. As far as Amit Shah is concerned, he seems to be directly involved into the whole thing, because I'm not relying totally on Vanzara's statement. Even otherwise, CBI is already in the process of closing the whole case in such a fashion that Ishrat Jahan was not a terrorist at all. It has been said that even the IBA people who was posted there in Gujarat, he was hands in gloves with all these people, in fact. And mind it, after the arrest of Vanzara, nothing has happened afterwards. Afterward, there is nothing, because actually this was a ploy which was done in consultation with Mr. Modi, and Mr. Amit Shah was the main actor in it. and he did it since he was the Home Minister. Definitely he is supposed to talk to the people. What he is talking, we do not know, but actually it will come out, because all these correlative evidences and the link would have a final nail, because it is being presumed that
you see, this is
all the four people.
this is where the
mercilessly.
No, this is where the BJP gets into very slippery ground, and this is where Jainara and Vyas's argument is going to fall flat, because Jainara and Vyas says Ami Agnek.
It will not.
Jainara and Vyas says, like, we are told that Amit Shah told the CBI. I was in touch with my police officer. Now Jainara and Vyas, I don't know what kind of a close working relationship Vanzara and Shah had, because they seem to be incessantly in touch. As far as I am concerned, Vanzara was not
relations.
Pardon me? No, 1 minute.
These close relations were as close as a Home Minister of the state will have with senior police officers.
Really?
No, Home Minister is not supposed to talk daily on all the dates, on all the times.
Who says? My goodness, what are you talking? What are you talking, Arnab? This is like you are telling your reporters are forbidden from talking to you. What are you talking?
That's not me, that's Kamal Farooqi.
Minister should not talk to his officers.
That's not me, that's Kamal Farooqi.
No, this is absolutely a wrong hypothesis. You cannot proceed on this hypothesis. Absolutely wrong. Who says Home Minister should not be talking to his officers?
Sir, hold on.
Where in the law it is written?
Hold on. I am not saying that.
By what protocol you are saying
he should not talk. But I am not saying that he should not talk. But the way he has talked and all these stances, everything which is
Arnab, permit me to say, this sounds as good and as hollow as somebody telling that Abhishek Kapoor from Ahmedabad is forbidden directly to talk to Arnab Goswami or vice versa. You know, how can you say this?
What kind of a comparison is that? Can you, despite your deep affection for me, 1 minute. This is
a boss subordinate relationship.
1 minute. You know, I know your affection for me. I know the BJP's affection for me. But that does not mean you have to drag me into every controversy. 1 minute. Brinda Grover is joining the debate. Brinda Grover is joining the debate. Please, sir, please. It's only a Monday evening. Let's go straight into the subject. Jainara and Vyas, I request you to remember, Vanzara was not the chief of the Gujarat ATS at the time of the encounter, nor was he the chief of the crime branch. For your kind information,
that does not forbid no law, no protocol, no government orders, no GR forbids
for your kind information
from talking or the officer talking to the Home Minister.
For your kind information. For your kind information, 36 hours before Amin and Marot start camping to intercept Javed Ishrat, there's a call between Vanzara and Amit Shah. Night before the encounter at 57 minutes past 10, there is a call between Vanzara and Amit Shah. 40 minutes, allow me to complete. Allow me to complete. 40 minutes after the encounter. 40 minutes after the encounter.
Let me tell you, Arnab.
40 minutes after the... Now you're not listening to me.
These details are not worth his writing on a piece of paper unless you have the entire call details of 1 month.
That's not for you to judge.
Unless the trend is established that every month, every day this was a practice, and if it is not, then you are justified in talking.
Why are you?
You have to look at the entire behavior, call behavior.
You know
have to examine the entire call data details.
You can't
take a stand on something on isolation.
Mr. Jainara and Vyas, that is fake aggression from your side. Because I'll also tell you, don't. 40 minutes. Brinda Grover raised her hand. 40 minutes after the encounter.
I have not learned
40 minutes after the encounter. Guess who called Vanzara? Who called Vanzara 40 minutes after the encounter? 6 minutes past 10. 15/6/2004. Amit Shah. And who is Amit Shah? Amit Shah is one of the 28 DIGs in Gujarat. You tell me that this is accidental. One of the 28 DIGs in Gujarat is having this conversation.
If you have learned,
please.
Arnab, if you have learned even a primer, if you have learnt even a primer in psychology, nobody who is manipulating the crime will make this mistake.
Well,
if you have learnt even a primer
what were they talking about? Then what were they talking about? The color on their walls? What were they talking about? The color on their walls?
What
they'll have for lunch the next day?
Regular conversations going on.
About what?
How can you say?
Brinda Grover is coming into the debate right now. You see,
2 days.
You see, that's
no.
what
You have to examine the entire month's call
now,
data. If that is not supporting the trend, I'll agree with it.
Mr. Vyas, let Brinda Grover come in. She raises her hand to come into the debate right now. Brinda Grover, the charge.
Brinda Grover is a party. Brinda Grover is a party to this case. She is a party interested.
But so are you as a BJP representative. So are you as a BJP representative. Now let her speak
so
for us.
I am.
So are you,
openly.
Mr.
I am not
Mr.
being
So
paid
are
for
you.
this.
Why are you being holier than thou, Mr. Jainara? Vyas, let Brinda Grover speak for itself. Brinda Grover, before you came in, the debate was this. The charge I put at the Congress and the Samajwadi Party is that the whole campaign became so Narendra Modi focused. Is that if Narendra Modi or the Gujarat government does not get directly implicated in any way in the second charge sheet, then everyone, pray even you, would have a lot to explain about the direction of your argument at Mr. Modi. Would you like to respond to that or any of the points made by the BJP?
Yeah, couple of things. I legally represent the family of Ishrat Jahan, more specifically the mother. I'm not a party to the case. Let's maintain some decorum when addressing each other. Secondly, I think Mr. Vyas made a very important point. The relationship between Vanjara and Amit Shah is one of boss and subordinate.